Hi, good morning everyone. How is your life today? Okay, we meet again with Miss Sri by this video. We will continue on our English lesson. For the first, Miss has assignment for you. It's about listening. Look this slide. Please read. Okay. Ini ya, Miss ada tugas untuk kalian. Pemberitahuan, kerjakan workbook halaman 15, bagian 1, audio terlampir. Tugas dikumpulkan ke WA Miss Sri, semua ya, 3A, 3B, 3C, and 3D. Diharapkan kerjasamanya untuk mengumpulkan tugas tepat waktu, karena ini ambil nilai listening. Oh ya, yang belum mengumpulkan tugas-tugasnya, seperti writing, reading, segera kumpulkan. Miss tunggu ya hari ini. Oke. Tugas dikumpulkan paling telat pada hari Rabu tanggal 26 Agustus 2020. Nah, tugasnya paling lama dikumpulkan pada hari Rabu. Kalau mengumpulkannya lewat dari hari Rabu, Miss kurangi nanti nilainya ya. Okay, we continue on the slide. Okay, this slide is taken from your workbook, page 14. It's synchronous with our story, The Getting Help. Ini bernyambung ya sama story kita yang Getting Help. Karena itulah story-nya Miss tampilkan di awal tadi. Nah, remember the story, put the lines in order. Nah, di sini kita akan menyusun sesuai nomor yang terjadi pada story kita. Alright, number 1 apa? Sudah ada di buku kita masing-masing. Yang number 1, Ben and Lucy can't read the book. It's in. Alright, good. And then we continue on to search for number 2. Kita cari untuk yang number 2-nya yang mana? Read the clues. No, but could they go to the librarian? Alright, good job. And number 3. Number 3, yang mana? Which one? Okay, perhaps he likes doing. Alright, good. And then number 4. Number 4, which one? They find the secret. No, but puzzle he wants to keep the. Alright, number 5. Number 5, which one? Alright, good. Book, Ben and Lucy don't give it to him. Then, alright, and then number 6. Number 6, read the clues or they find the secret to the code. Okay, they find. Alright, and then the last number is read the clue. Alright, okay. We continue on the next slide. Okay, next. Okay, this slide is taken from your workbook, page 14, part 2. Nah, ini sama, tetapi ini part 2, bagian 2-nya. Let's see. Match the question with the answers. Nah, kita cocokkan questionnya dengan jawabannya, ya. Alright. Yuk, kita mulai. Number 1, for example, number 1. C itu berarti number 1. Can you help us, please? Yes, of course. Itu jawabannya. Kalau pertanyaannya can you help us, please? Jawabannya yes, of course. Ya. Sekarang yang number 2. Number 2. What is the problem? Nah, what is the problem? Kira-kira jawabannya yang mana ya? Kira-kira jawabannya yang mana? Yuk kita cari yuk. Nah, yang no, sorry. Bukan ya, no. Yang ini, we can't read this book. Dia tanya masalahnya apa? Masalahnya tidak bisa membaca bukunya, dia bilang ya. Oke, next, number 3. Can I keep the book? Nah, dia bilang, dapatkah saya menyimpan bukunya? Nah, yang number 3 mana? Yang ada gift-giftnya nih. No, sorry, we can't give it to you. Dia bilang, maaf, tidak. Kami tidak bisa memberi buku itu untuk kamu. Berarti di sini number 3. Oh ya, kalian tulis juga di buku kalian ya. Alright, then number 4. What is going it's dark? Nah, kira-kira yang mana? Jawabannya yang 4. Yang come on Ben, we have to get out of here. Nah, karena gelap, jadi si Ben-nya mau keluar. Merekanya mau keluar ya. Alright, number 4. And then number 5. What is this here? What is this here? Ada apa di sini? Nah, number 5 kira-kira yang mana? It's the secret to the code. Alright, good. Then the last, what about the code? Nah, pastinya ini bukan of course. Alright. I don't understand the code. Right? Don't forget to write on your workbook. Disalin ya. Okay, we continue the next slide. Alright. This line is taken from your workbook, page 16, part 2. Miss ambil di buku workbook kalian yang bagian 2. Read and write the words. Nah, ini read and write the words about the Johnny story. Nah, we already read the Johnny story. Kita udah ya baca cerita Johnny story-nya kemarin. Nah, yuk sekarang kita lihat. Let's see. Oke. Di sini ada pilihannya ya, ada pilihannya painting, playing, puzzle, first class, singing, ride, flying. Nah, kira-kira yang sesuainya apa? For example, the number 1. In the geography class, Johnny is dreaming. Nah, in his dream, he is blah 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 on a dragon. Nah, kira-kira apa? Singing on a dragon? No, but flying. Alright, good. Then, the next class is math. Johnny is doing math. Blah, blah, blah in his head. Nah, doing apa math-nya? Painting math. No, but puzzles math. Alright. In science, Johnny is dreaming again. In his dream, he is blah 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 a butterfly. Nah, butterfly apa? Singing a butterfly. No, but painting a butterfly. Alright. Then, the next day, the children have music. In his dream, Johnny is apa? Bla 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 and bla 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 glitter. Nah, ada glitter di sini. Kalau ada glitter berarti sudah tentunya playing and singing. Alright. Then next. Then the children have to blah 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 a story. Johnny writes a fantastic story and wins blah 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 prize. Nah, Johnny-nya apa? Then the children have to alright, write a story. Good. Johnny writes a fantastic story and wins. Nah, si Johnny-nya menang. Dia dapat first prize. Alright, good. Next, we continue on the next slide. This slide, mistaken from your workbook, Page 16 part 3. Make a sentences. Nah, di sini masih acak, masih scramble ya. Nah, we must rearrange these sentences. Nah, kita mau mengatur atau mau menyusun. Look at number 1. His head doing loves Johnny math puzzles in. Nah, like an example, we come to Johnny loves doing math puzzle in his head. Okay? Paham ya? We continue on number 2. Nah, number 2 ada about the children, Miss Button, tells butterflies. Okay. Miss gives 13 seconds for you. Nah, Miss beri 30 detik. Miss beri 30 detik untuk kalian memikirkannya. Oke, memikirkan jawabannya. Alright, good. Jawabannya apa? Yang benar? Siapa yang pertama? Miss Barton. Udah tentunya ya, Miss Barton. Tells the children about butterflies. Alright, good. And then number 3. Ada a piano concert, music class, plays in dan Miss Barton. Nah, sama Miss. Beri 30 detik untuk mencari jawabannya. Oke. Alright, good. Alright, we continue on the next slide. It's about musical instrument, alat-alat musik. This slide is taken from your student book, page 18, part 1. Okay. For the first and this slide, we will listen and number. Nah, kita akan mendengarkan dan beri nomor based on our audio, sesuai dengan audio kita. Ya, nah, misalnya, for example, recordernya nanti number berapa? Misalnya number 1. Berarti in the box give the number or write the number 1. Okay, write the number in the box ya. Tulis nomornya di dalam box ini. Okay, paham ya? Okay, we listen. Alright.
Student's Book, page 18. 1. Listen and number.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6.
Okay, Miss repeats once again.
Student's Book, page 18. 1. Listen and number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
'Alright, finish. Alright, we have been listening the audio. Nah, kita sudah mendengarkan audionya. Sekarang yuk kita bahas yuk. Oke. Yang pertama yang number one. Number one apa ya? Tadi kita sudah mendengarkan. Nah, siapa yang tahu number one bunyi apa? Bunyi sound of recorder. Alright, number one. And then number two. Number two, sound of piano. No, but triangle. Alright, ada ting 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 gitu ya. Alright, number two. And then number three. Number three, sound of flute. Alright. And then number four. Number four, sound of drum. No, but sound of piano. And then number five. Number five, sound of guitar. No, but drum. Alright. And then the last sound of guitar. Alright. Okay. Next, we continue on the next slide. Okay. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 18, part 2. Read about different families of musical instruments. Nah, di sini ada jenis-jenis musical instrument. Atau apa tadi? Musical instruments, alat-alat musik. Nah, yang pertama, for the first, wind instrument. Apa itu, Miss? Itu adalah alat musik tiup yang kalau kita mau mengeluarkan bunyi, kita harus blow dulu, kita harus tiup dulu. Nah, seperti tadi apa? Ada recorder, flute. Nah, ya. Oke, let's read it. You use your mouth to play these instruments. Nah, artinya apa, Miss? Kamu menggunakan mulut kamu untuk memainkan alat musik ini. Alright. Then, you blow to the instrument to make a sound. Nah, kita harus meniupnya untuk mengeluarkan suara atau menimbulkan suara. Nah, inilah yang dinamakan wind instrument, alat musik tiup. Ada apa saja? Ada flute, ada recorder, ada trombone, ya. Oke. Let's continue the next slide. Oh, I'm so sorry, Miss forgot. Oke. Nah, seperti ini ya, ada panpipes. Nah, ini juga jenis dari wind instrument. Lalu ada ini flute ya. Alright. Dia di blow seperti ini, ditiup seperti ini memainkannya. Jadi kita mengeluarkan suara. Oke, suara dari alat musik tersebut. Alright. Are you get it? Oke, we continue. Right. Ini ada apa lagi, Miss? Ada string instruments, alat musik, dawai atau petik, atau alat musik yang ada tali-talinya, Miss. Like a guitar, violin, ya. Dah apa lagi? Yuk kita lihat, kita baca dulu. Instrument with string are called strings instruments. Nah, artinya apa, Miss? Artinya ada di bawah ini. Alat musik yang menggunakan tali disebut alat musik petik atau dawai atau senar. Nah, biasanya yang sering nggak main gitar di rumah, ada kan biasanya disebut senar gitar. Nah, tali-talinya itu dinamakan senar atau dawai. Oke? Nah, easy. Well, what about the piano? Nah, piano ini termasuk ke string instrumen juga loh. Nah, talinya di mana, Miss? Oke, let's read. Oke. Easy. Well, what about the piano? Mudah. Bagaimana dengan piano? Nah, it's a stringed instrument, but you can't see the string. They are inside the piano. Nah, talinya di mana nih? Nggak kelihatan kan? Oke. Piano adalah alat musik dawai atau petik, tetapi kita tidak dapat melihat senarnya, tidak dapat melihat talinya, benar kan? Nggak ada kan kelihatan talinya si piano itu? Nah, senarnya atau talinya ada di dalam piano itu, di dalamnya itu loh, di dalam alat-alatnya itu ya. Oke, until here, are you get it? Alright, next. Nah, oke, seperti ini ya. Ini violin atau biola, and then guitar. Nah, ini yang dinamakan strings, nah atau senar, atau dawai, dan atau tali bahasa Indonesianya. Oke, we continue. The last instrument musical. Percussion instrument, alat musik perkusi. Nah, apalagi ini, Miss, alat musik perkusi? We read. We use percussion instruments to play the rhythm of the music. Nah, apa, Miss, artinya? Yuk kita cari. Kita menggunakan perkusi untuk memainkan ritme musik. Perkusi itu apa sih? Nah, nih mau tahu, when you listen to drums, you hear rhythm. Nah, perkusi itu apa saja, alat apa saja yang menimbulkan suara. Nah, misalnya nih kalian galon di rumah punya ya, tahu ya galon air itu, tapi jangan dipukul-pukul loh galonnya mama ya. Nah, galon itu kalau kita pukul atau kita ketok, kita pukul sama sendok atau apa, itu menimbulkan suara ya, atau menimbulkan sound. Nah, itulah yang dinamakan perkusi. Nah, seperti ini bunyi drum. Nah, kalau kita ketok drumnya ada bunyi dum 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 ya. Nah, itulah namanya perkusi. Jadi perkusi itu sesuatu suara yang ditimbulkan oleh dari benda, misalnya benda apa saja yang kita pukul-pukul ya ada suaranya, itulah yang dinamakan perkusi. Alright, next, are you get it until here? Alright, we continue on. Nah, oke, I'm sorry, Miss forgot. Nah, seperti ini namanya tamborin ya. Nah, ini kan kalau kita goyang-goyang dia ada suaranya ya. Nah, seperti suaranya ada ritme nadanya. Okay, we continue on the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 17. It is about listen, color, and write. Nah, di sini kita akan listen audio again. Nah, kita akan mendengarkan audio, lalu kalian warnai ya sesuai audio. Ya, nah, sesuai audionya. Nah, lihat di buku kalian, di buku workbook kalian masing-masing ya. Nah, boleh diwarnai pakai pensil warna kalian. Okay, we listen the audio. Okay, we start.
Workbook, page 17. 1. Listen, color, and write.
Can you see the girl? Yes, I can. She's daydreaming. That's right. What's she dreaming of? A dragon. In her dream, she's sitting on a dragon, and the dragon's flying. That's right. Color the dragon black. Okay.
Can you see the black dragon? This is an example. Now you listen, color, and write. 1.
Now, do you want to color something? Yes, please. Can I color the butterfly? The one in the poster? Okay. What color? Yellow's my favorite. Okay. That's a good color for the butterfly then.
2.
Now, would you like to write something for me? What? A word? Yes. Can you see the clock on the wall? Behind the girl? That's right. Can you write the word clock below it? Okay, I'm writing that now.
3.
Can you see the girl's notebook? Yes, there's a circle and a triangle in it. That's right. Can I color the triangle? Yes. Good idea. What color? Red. Fine.
4.
Now, can you see the pictures? Which ones? The pictures on the teacher's desk. Oh, yes. What do you want me to do with them? Color them both? No, not both of them. Can you see the boy at the piano? Yes. Color the piano quickly. What color? You choose. Okay, I'm doing it brown.
5.
Okay. One last thing now. What can we do? I can color the pencil sharpener, the one by the pencil case. Yes. Color that pencil sharpener green, please. Okay. That's all. Yes. Good job. The picture looks great now.
Now listen to it again.
Alright, Miss repeats once again.
Workbook, page 17. 1. Listen, color, and write.
Can you see the girl? Yes, I can. She's daydreaming. That's right. What's she dreaming of? A dragon. In her dream, she's sitting on a dragon, and the dragon's flying. That's right. Color the dragon black. Okay.
Can you see the black dragon? This is an example. Now you listen, color, and write. 1.
Now, do you want to color something?
Yes, please. Can I color the butterfly?
The one in the poster? Okay. What color?
Yellow's my favorite.
Okay. That's a good color for the butterfly then.
2.
Now, would you like to write something for me?
What? A word?
Yes. Can you see the clock on the wall?
Behind the girl?
That's right. Can you write the word clock below it?
Okay, I'm writing that now.
3.
Can you see the girl's notebook?
Yes, there's a circle and a triangle in it.
That's right.
Can I color the triangle?
Yes. Good idea.
What color?
Red.
Fine.
4.
Now, can you see the pictures?
Which ones?
The pictures on the teacher's desk.
Oh, yes. What do you want me to do with them? Color them both?
No, not both of them. Can you see the boy at the piano?
Yes.
Color the piano quickly.
What color?
You choose.
Okay, I'm doing it brown.
5.
Okay. One last thing now. What can we do?
I can color the pencil sharpener, the one by the pencil case.
Yes. Color that pencil sharpener green, please.
Okay. That's all.
Yes. Good job. The picture looks great now.
Now listen to it again.
Alright, we already finished. Listen this audio. Alright. Nah, kita sudah selesai mendengarkan audionya ya. Nah, sekarang kita bahas. Ada yang ketinggalan nggak? Ada ya. Oke. Nah, yang pertama, tadi dia bilang apa? Dragonnya, black dragon ini ya, for an example-nya. Oke, yang kedua apa yang diwarna? Yang dia bilang yellow. Butterfly. Nah, di sini. I'm sorry, yellow ya. Sorry. Wait. Yellow. Warna apa tadi? Warna yellow. Di sini warna yellow. Kalian warnai ya di rumah ya. Yellow. Alright. Nah, dia tadi ada bilang clock. Clocknya itu ada clock ya katanya. Clocknya itu tidak diwarnai. Dia hanya sebutkan clock. Below clock on the wall. Dia bilang clocknya on the wall. Nah, and then triangle. Nah, triangle-nya tadi warna apa dia? Dia maunya triangle warna red ini ya, red. Nah, warnai ya, warna yang rapi di rumah. And then piano picture ini ya, punya Miss nggak kelihatan. Lihat di buku kalian ya, ada yang gambar orang yang lagi main piano. Nah, pianonya diwarnai dengan warna brown ya. Warna brown, ini Miss tulis ya. Kalian warnai warna brown. Oke. And then the last. Ada pencil sharpeners. Warna green. Nah, ini diwarnai sama warna green. Oke. Nih, warna yang rapi di rumah. Alright. We continue on the next slide. Alright. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 18, part 1. Look at this slide. count and write sentences. Use there is and there are. For example, there are 6 recorders. Nah, kita lihat gambarnya di sini. We count the musical instruments. Ya, kita hitung alat musiknya. Ada berapa? Nah, use there is and there are. If the musical instrument just one, we use there is. But it's more than one or more than two, we use there are. Alright. Let's we see. Oke. Nah, kita hitung. Yang pertama kita lihat apa? Flute dulu ya, flute. Flute, fokus flute. Flute. How many flute? Okay, just one, alright? Just one here. Alright. It means here flute. Okay. There is one flute. Alright. Oh ya, kalian tulis di buku kalian ya. And then yang kedua we count the triangle. How many triangle? Let's we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, alright. Okay. There are 5 triangles. Okay, I'm so sorry, not triangle but triangles. And then let's we count the pianos. How many pianos? 1, 2, 3. Alright, there are 3 pianos. Alright, there are 3 pianos. And then we count the guitar. How many guitars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 guitars. Alright, and then the last, we count the drums. How many drums? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, there are 11 drums. Alright, nah, diingat ini nanti dia sinkron sama latihan kita yang selanjutnya. Okay, let's we continue on and let's we see the slide. Okay, perintahnya look at the activity 1, correct the sentences. Dia bilang perhatikan activity 1, activity yang tadi, yang gambar-gambar tadi yang sudah kita tulis kalimatnya. Nah, perbaiki. Dia bilang, nih ya, there are 12 wind instrument. Benar nggak? Yang wind instrument itu termasuk wind instrument itu apa saja? Yang recorder, flute, ya. Itu aja kan yang wind. Alright. Nah, ada berapa recordernya tadi? There are 6 recorders and 1 flute. So, 6 ditambah 1 ya, 6. Oke, 6 ditambah 1 ada berapa? Ada 7. Berarti ini kalimatnya wrong. The correct sentence is there are 7 wind instrument, not 12 but 7. Let's we correct. Alright, there are 7 wind instrument. Nah, di sini yang number 2. There are 9 string instrument. Nah, ada berapa stringnya? Yang masuk dalam string itu apa? String yang alat musik petik, alat musik dawai. Ingat, piano termasuk ke dalam string instrument. Tadi pianonya ada berapa? 3 pianos, alright? Ada 3 pianos. And guitarnya ada berapa? 7. So, 7 ditambah 3 berapa? 10. Alright. It means there are 10 string instrument. Alright. Okay, next. Number 3. There are 21 percussion instruments. Dia bilang ada 21 loh. Perkusinya. Is it right or not? No, ya. Hanya ada berapa? Yang masuk dalam perkusi tadi apa? Yang percussion musical instrument? Triangle, drum. Nah, tadi drumnya ada berapa? How many drums? 11. And triangle-nya? 5. So, it means 16. Alright, there are 16 percussion instrument. We continue on the next slide. This slide is taken from your workbook, page 19. Alright. Look and write the words. Nah, di sini ada pilihannya. Dia bilang perhatikan dan tulislah kosakatanya. Tulislah nama bendanya ya. Ada pilihannya trombone, flute, cello, drum, recorder, guitar, piano, castanets, triangle. Nah, for example, number 1. Ini namanya castanets ya. Nah, yang kedua kita lihat. Ini like a violin, alright? Okay, alright. But is it not violin? This is a what? Cello. Alright. And then number 3. Number 3, apa ini? Guitar. No, but drum. And then number 4. Number 4, flute or recorder. Beda ya, flute and recorder are different. Ya, berbeda. Ini flute. Alright. And then number 5. This is alright, good. Guitar. And then number 6. Piano. Good. And then number 7. Number 7 is about recorder. And then number 8. Ini apa? Triangle. Alright, good. And then the last, it's mean trombone. Alright, good. Then next we continue the next slide. Alright, look at activity 1. Write the instruments in the families. Nah, dia bilang dari activity 1 tadi, gambar activity 1 kita masukkan ke families of instrument. Mana yang wind, percussion, and strings. Nah, yuk kita lihat. Ingat, yang wind yang di blow atau ditiup. Nah, percussion yang dipukul-pukul menimbulkan bunyi. Nah, sedangkan yang strings itu yang ada talinya ya. Oke, yuk kita lihat yang wind ada apa saja. Wind tadi yang ditiup ada flute, recorder, and trombone. Alright. Okay. And then percussionnya ada yang dipukul ada apa? Triangle, ada castanet, triangle, and drum. Alright. Good. And then the last, string instrument. Ada apa? Ada cello, ada guitar, and piano. Alright, good. Okay. We continue the next slide. Okay. Look at this slide. Match the question with the answer. Nah, kita cocokkan lagi antara pertanyaan, pertanyaan with the answer dan jawabannya. Kita cari pertanyaannya yang sesuai, jawabannya yang sesuai dengan pertanyaannya yang mana. Okay, let's we see the example. Okay, number 1. What is your favorite subject, Kate? Dia tanya subjeknya. Subjek yang disukai sama Kate apa? Jawabannya science, I love it. Ini contohnya ya, number 1. Okay, next we continue number 2. What do you like about it? Nah, dia bilang, apa yang kamu sukai dari situ? Nah, ya dari sainsnya. Berarti jawabannya, we do the experiment in science classes and I love doing them. So, it's mean number 2. And then number 3. How many science classes do you have a week? Nah, ditanya how many? How many? Berarti jawabannya tentang hitungan atau angka-angka. Ditanya berapa banyak? Nah, kita cari yang mana? Yang ini ya, ada 3. But I did like to have it every day. Okay. Berarti sini number 3. We write number 3. And then number 4. Do you have science today? apakah kamu ada kelas sains? Nah, yang mana kira-kira? Number 4. Nah, let me think. It's Wednesday. Yes, I have science after math. Nah, jawabannya yang tepat yang ini. Number 5. Is science very popular in your class? Apakah sains itu sangat populer katanya di kelasnya? But dia bilang, no, not many children like it. They think it's difficult. So, it means here we write number 5. Alright. And then the last. What is the number 1 subject then? Subjek yang pertamanya apa yang disukai orang-orang di kelasnya? For most of my classmates, it's English. They love it. Ya, English adalah subjek yang disukai teman-teman Kate yang di kelasnya. Alright, oke, jangan lupa jawabannya yang sudah kita bahas. Kalian salin di buku workbook kalian ya. Alright, we continue the next slide. Oke. Nah, look at the activity 1. Complete the report about the interview. Nah, dia bilang nih, kita sinkron sama activity 1, alright? Okay, we will write the report about the interview from Kate. Nah, for example, Kate's favorite subject is science, alright? The example, she loves, dia suka apa? Suka doing experiment. Not many children, tidak itu banyak anak-anak yang tidak suka, yang tidak not many children like science, ya, tidak banyak anak-anak yang suka science. And then most children suka apa tadi? Loves English atau like English. Most children in Kate class love English or like English best, ya. On Wednesday, si Kate-nya ada kelas apa? Science. Kate has science after math. Alright. Okay, we continue the next slide. Okay. This slide is taken from your workbook page 21. Alright. Write the words in 3 groups. Nah, dia bilang kita mau kelompokkan kata yang di sini ya. Kata-kata yang di sini, vocabulary yang di sini sesuai dengan kelompoknya. Di sini ada trombone, Monday, history, harp, Friday, math, IT, symbols, castanets, Wednesday, science, French, Saturday, Friday, and cello. Nah, sepertinya di sini ada musical instrument, about day, and about subject. Nah, kita kelompokkan. Nah, ini ada trombone. It means musical instruments. Nah, si trombones ini apa saja teman-teman? Yuk, kita lihat. Ada castanets, and then harp, dan cymbals, and cello. Nah, Monday udah tahu temennya apa saja ya. Ada Wednesday, Saturday, Friday, apalagi itu. Alright, Tuesday, ya. Nah, yang subjek ada math, IT, science, French, ya. Nah, oke, jangan lupa ditulis di buku workbook. Don't forget write on your workbook, right? Next, we continue the last slide. Nah, ini adalah slide yang terakhir. Nah, this slide is taken from your workbook page 21 part 3. Ini bagian 2 ya, Miss. Bagian 3 part 3. Look and draw lines to make the sentences. Nah, like an example. Di sini ada I really like painting pictures. Nah, yuk kita cari kalimat yang benarnya seperti apa. Oke. Nah, di sini ada she Terus dari she kita tarik garis kemana? She really. She really. And then doesn't like and playing TV. Alright, good. And then you kira-kiranya kalimat yang benar ini have to, has to. Kalau you pakai apa? You pakai have or has? Pakai have. Nah, di sini you have to, berarti ini yang keharusan ya, grammar keharusan, grammar have to yang kemarin. It mean you have to. Terus wash your hands. You have to wash your hands before dinner. Alright, good. And then number 4, the last. Kalau he use has or have? Have? No. Use has. So it means he has to. And then wear a uniform to school. Alright, good. Okay, missing enough for meeting today. Nah, jangan lupa, don't forget to write on your workbook and student book. Jangan lupa ya, disalin di student book dari video-video yang udah kita bahas, latihan yang sudah kita bahas, biar nggak lupa. Alright, thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you next time.